Hi there, Patty here from Chatty Patty's Place, and today I have some products for you that are designed for your safety, especially if you're a woman. These products are from a company called isn'tthisclever.com. These products are all included in this Finders Keep Her Safer kit. I'm just going to explain all the products that you're going to receive. First of all, the products come housed in this clear plastic carry-on bag. This bag is compliant with a lot of companies who require you to carry a clear plastic bag in the workplace. Also included, you will receive the satin pouch to keep your bag in when not in use. You'll also receive a small pepper spray. This spray is good for 5 quick 1-second shots or 1 5-second shots, which will incapacitate whoever you spray it with for up to 45 minutes. This also contains a drink test kit to make sure that no one's tampering with your drink. Sometimes people have been known to use those date rape drugs. This can test for those types of drugs. So if you're out at a bar and you suspect anything, this kit will test, and you have 20 tests in this kit. Another important product in this bag is the panic alarm. This is a super bright flashlight that has a 120 decibel panic alarm. So if you ever feel threatened, you can always just pull your keychain out and press the button, and it'll sound a really loud alarm. Two more products that I have here. These are key keepers that you would keep on the top of your purse. A lot of times when you're out, you don't want to fidget around in your purse looking for your keys. You want to have your keys readily available. So how this product works is you would attach your keys here to the back on the lobster claw clasp, and this would actually sit. And if I can just demonstrate, this would sit on your bag like this. Your keys are there. So if you're going out and you got your purse, you can just grab your keys right out of your bag. This way you're not fidgeting in your purse looking for them. You have them readily available. If you go to my website, www.chattypattiesplace.com, I have a post up about keeping safe in parking lots and in unsecured places. That is really helpful. That would help you just give you some really strong pointers and explain this kit more thoroughly to you. These finders keepers are available with a lot of different patterns and designs and colors. This happens to be just a princess crown, and this one is the filigree heart. This kit does come with 2 of these keepers. It may not be these 2 particular keepers, but I just wanted to show you that these are some of the designs that are available if you're interested. There's a lot of different products for women's safety on the website isn'tthisclever.com. So I think you should check it out and see what they have to offer. Perhaps you have a child in college, or even just a child in general at home. You can teach them, the importance of staying safe and protecting themselves. And products like this are really important for us women to keep at all times, because you never really know, what's lurking. Things can happen when you least expect them. So, take a gander over to my site and read about safety. Check out these products. Check out the website. These are the Finders Keeper HerSafer kit. I'm just going to show you a little bit about the products. And visit www.chattypattiesplace.com to check out my post about these products and to order their kit.